Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a clean with me video, my beauty room edition. So I have done clean with me videos before in some of my vlogs, but I've never actually done a dedicated video to just simply cleaning. Since I was going to clean my beauty room today, I thought that I would record it for you guys since I was going to start cleaning. And I've seen so many clean with me videos pop up on my feed, so I feel like they're a little bit trending right now. So I will leave the other videos that I've done before down below if you guys are interested in watching them. Once again, they are vlogs, they're not dedicated videos, just a heads up on that. My room is a disaster. I have been literally throwing piles and piles of clothes on the floor. I have trash on the floor. I have shoes. There's orange peels. Like, I have crap all over the floor. It's been weeks that it's all been accumulating. I have makeup all over my table here on my vanity. The only thing that I've done is when I rearranged my background and I moved my shoe shelves, but that's as much as I've cleaned. And yeah, my room is a hot mess, so you guys are gonna see how bad it is. I've never showed it to you guys when it's been this bad. I don't think it's ever actually been this bad because I literally have like mountains of clothes on the floor. I wash my clothes and I just throw it in here because I haven't wanted to put my clothes away. So yeah, you guys are gonna see how much of a disaster my room is. But enough talking. If you guys want to see me clean my beauty room, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm a little bit overwhelmed. Nathan's here chilling with me and I'm about to get started. I grabbed some trash bags, but the first thing that I want to do is actually get all my clothes and put it up here on this little tiny dresser thing. I am so out of breath. Oh my god, I'm so out of shape. Holy shit. So I'm gonna start gathering all of my hangers really quickly, putting them in a little pile. So yeah, I'm gonna get all of my hangers, put them in a little pile right here, and then I think I'll start picking up some trash. So here's my little pile of hangers that I found in my room. I've been getting all the shoes that are on the floor, throwing them in this pile right now. Why is Nathan's chair in my makeup room? Are you stealing my gum? Are you stealing my gum? You stole it! Dame un beso. Ew. Drool. Dame un beso. ¿Me das un beso? Oh, I get a hug? Thank you. Love you. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you. You want to clean my room?
No.
Why not? Okay, then go watch your movie. Okay, be careful with the light. time to tackle the clothes. It is literally all I have left to clean. Shirts are right here, and then I have all the jackets, sweaters, and coats up here. So I'm gonna put hangers on these first, just because they're a lot more bulky, and these are the only hangers I could find right now. So that's what I'm gonna do really quickly. Hang all this stuff, and then whatever I don't have hangers for, I'm just gonna leave in this pile. I'm finally done cleaning and I'm so freaking excited. Whew. So I kind of redid this little spot. I moved a couple things around. I don't have a giant pile of clothes here anymore. These are just my 3 Betsy Johnson purses. And then Julio gave me that box of chocolate for Valentine's Day, so I just thought this was cute, so I wanted to put it back here. And this little pile is what I have left that I wasn't able to hang. I actually had 8 hangers left, and I ended up hanging some other t-shirts. And then these 2 things right here, that little vest, and then these PJs are on my Poshmark. So I just put them right there so I don't lose them. I gotta go put them in my box where I have all my Poshmark stuff. Finally, all my jackets are hung up. I have like 2 jackets in my room right now, so I gotta try to find 2 more hangers, but everything else is pretty much hung up. All my shoes are put away. My makeup table is finally clean, nice and organized. I wiped it all down. My mirror's a little dusty, but that's okay. I'm just really happy how everything turned out. I finally got to vacuum. I hadn't vacuumed in a hot minute. And then the stuff down there is actually empty beauty products that I need to do a video on. And then on my door, I just have all of my bathing suits that are one pieces, and then like my bathing suit cover-ups hanging over here on this little hook. This is the coat that I wore on my wedding day, and I just have it here because I don't really wear it anymore. And then this coat I actually ordered from Shein, and it's a new coat. I just got it delivered today. So I need to get a hanger for this too. And then I have another one coming in the mail. They just ship them separately. the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this Clean With Me Beauty Room Edition video. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do more of these. I'm still going to continue doing my closet declutter videos, but I haven't filmed another one just because I wanted to get this room cleaned up so I can like actually go through everything. So now I'm actually going to be able to see all the clothes, walk through it, and show you guys like when I actually film that video. But yeah, so let me know down below if you guys enjoyed this, if you want me to do more in the future. Maybe next time I rearrange the furniture in here, I can film that for you guys. Or maybe when I actually spray paint these shoe shelves that I have back here, I can film that for you if you want me to do that. So just let me know. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!